Hi crochet friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Stefania, and today I'll be showing you how I make my string of pearl plants. This tutorial is pretty beginner friendly. We'll be using a magic circle, chain, slip stitch, and bobble stitches. But don't worry if you're not sure about any of these stitches, I'll take you through it step by step. If you like this tutorial, let me know by leaving a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. It really helps me out a lot. I release a new video every week, including check-in videos, crochet tutorials, and other craft content. With all that out of the way, let's get on to the tutorial. To start this tutorial, we're going to begin with a magic ring. You'll wrap the yarn around 2 of your fingers, insert your hook, yarn over, pull a loop through, yarn over, and there's your magic ring. We'll then chain as long as you want your first vine to be. I'm starting with about 15 chains, but you can make them as long or as short as you like. Keep in mind that as you make the vine, the length of the vine will shorten a little bit, so make it a bit longer than you'll want the finished vine to be. Once the chain is as long as you want it to be, we'll start slip stitching back up the chain. Starting in the second chain from the hook, you'll insert your hook into that chain, yarn over, pull through, and then instead of yarning over, you'll hold the base of the chain and just pull through the second loop. Again, we'll insert into the next stitch, yarn over, and pull through both loops. I like to chain about 3 to 5 stitches before adding the first bobble. To make the bobble stitch, we'll first yarn over, then insert our hook into the next stitch. Yarn over again, pull through, yarn over, and pull through 2 of the loops. Now we'll yarn over again and insert the hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. We'll now have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. We'll do that one more time, so yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. We'll now have 5 loops on the hook. We'll then yarn over and pull through all 5 of these loops before inserting our hook one more time into that same stitch and doing a slip stitch. Then continue slip stitching up your chain about 5 more stitches. We'll then do another bobble stitch. So again, it's yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Repeat that pattern 4 times so that we'll end up with 5 loops on the hook. And now we have 5 loops on the hook. We yarn over, pull through all 5, and slip stitch into the same stitch. We're going to continue this pattern of slip stitching 5 stitches and then doing a bobble stitch into the next stitch all the way up the chain until we reach our magic circle again. I really like making these string of pearls because the process is very straightforward and meditative. Don't worry about making your vines too perfect. It's an organic shape, so there's no such thing as perfect, but also no mistakes. Once we reach the last stitch in our chain, we'll then slip stitch into the magic circle. We'll then continue on to the next vine by chaining again. I like to vary the lengths of the chains to create a variance in what my plant looks like, so this time I'm going to do about 30 chains. Continue the same process for each of the vines you want. I'm putting 6 vines into this plant, but you can make as few or as many as you want to make the plant look the way you'd like it to. There's no right or wrong way of making these vines, it's really however you want them to look. You can try adding more bobble stitches or fewer, or spacing them out more or less. I've even made some using variegated yarn, so the colors change as the vine goes on. When you've finished the last vine of your plant, you'll go ahead and slip stitch into the magic circle one last time, chain 1, and then cut your yarn tail and pull it through. You'll then take the tail from the magic circle and pull it tight to close that circle. And there you have it, your string of pearls is complete. Thanks so much for watching till the end of the video. If you like this kind of tutorial, check out my other tutorials. I'll have my playlist linked below. If you end up making the string of pearls and posting it to your Instagram, tag me at Art by Stefania. I'd love to see what you made. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!